What is going on YouTube? Hey, Mac making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, we do a different cryptocurrency here on the channel every single week with your guys' help. So definitely make sure to drop a comment with your favorite altcoin down below, as I will be picking one to review starting Monday for next week's episodes. More importantly, what we're looking at in today's video, which is actually quite exciting, but most of these cryptocurrencies actually manage to close resistance or close their price above the resistance levels. This to me is extremely shocking, and this actually might be a really big thought as towards where we're going to be moving to in the near future, where there's a big chance we're going to be heading back up to moving averages on these major cryptocurrencies, which is very exciting, don't get me wrong, and a big opportunity for us to see some major volume coming back into the market, as well as, you know, cryptocurrency as a whole. Now, otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so take a look at this. Top 10 cryptocurrencies. Overall, we're up about 4%. All these cryptocurrencies as a whole, yeah, I'd say 3 to 4%. Everything is doing very well right now. As you guys can see, most of the market is seeing big injections of volume right now coming back into here, trickling back in. This is actually exciting to me. This might be the, the run that we've been looking for. Let me just elaborate a little more on that. So as you guys can see, we've been talking about XRP, and if you remember in yesterday's video, we've also been mentioning the fact that XRP, even though it closed above its top resistance level, all the other cryptocurrencies in the market were also retesting resistance. They haven't actually broken through like XRP did. So when I saw us breaking through here, it was a small sign of potential recovery, but it wasn't necessarily everything just yet. As you guys remember on the channel, we've been talking about for quite some time now, all these the triple bottom that we had. We've been talking about double bottoms in play. You can see right here, clear as day, we had 1, 2 confirmations of reversal. We had right here reversals to the upside. We had multiple confirmations and discussions how this could be a double bottom at play and we might reverse higher. So as you guys can see, even though XRP is heading up, this wasn't the main reason why I'm getting very excited about the way these markets are trading. It was at the other cryptocurrencies. Check this out now. Yesterday, last night, we managed to close the candle above the downtrend, above resistance. This is exciting because this could be referencing completion of the double bottom formation and referencing probable patterns to reverse back up to top resistances. As you guys can see, it's not just Ethereum that broke through its top resistance. It's also Bitcoin, which is the biggest sign, as well as Binance Coin. But Bitcoin, being the fact that it's now closing above resistance, is a huge window of opportunity, and I'm glad we caught this early in the morning. Yes, we've had possibilities, or yes, we've had the price actually break through here before and retest top resistance, but guess what? We can still do that now, and even if we did retest 40K from $33,800 all the way up to $40,000, as you guys can see, that is a major run. So this will cover anybody that bought in anticipating a small reversal to the downtrend. Yesterday I was saying if you're an aggressive style trader, you could actually buy in with the fact that we've hit top resistance here. You can see right here, and this could, signal a reversal back down to 30K. Yes, I said that. I also said to create a stop loss at this resistance level in case we decide to break bullish and close through it. So yesterday's candle, the fact that we actually managed to close above resistance here, if you guys didn't buy in, which probably I would gather most didn't, this would have been the possibility on July 22nd to reverse and short it to the downside. But if you guys watched the market and saw that we didn't even close, or we didn't even close to the downside here, we just closed at where we were, it would have been a signal maybe to sell off and readjust your positions. But regardless, yesterday's candle, with the fact that we closed above this top resistance here, should have been a big enough sign to either A, hit your stop loss, or B, get out and realize markets are probably going to start to reverse back up because we've closed above this resistance. So I'm very excited with the overall market. I've actually managed to buy in with the anticipation we might be extending back up to $40,000. As you guys can see, we've had this descending fractal. We've needed to break it for a long time, and we discussed it was A, either we're going to break bearish and correct down to 20K, or we're going to see a reversal and swing back up to 40K, because price ceiling is clearly set at 40 and price floors are clearly setting 30. So regardless of the fact we broke through it, and I am very excited to see this. So I am buying in long and leveraging this up to about $40,000. You guys can easily take advantage of this too. I've actually been testing out a new exchange called Ascend EX, which I'd like to show you guys. All right, guys, as you know, I have been looking for other exchanges out there that might offer something better or maybe a little bit different than the current exchanges that we use here on the channel. As you guys know, during the bear market, it's been fairly difficult to kind of find other unique things than just trading straight cryptocurrency. So that's why I've been on the hunt for different exchanges out there that might offer something better or a little more enticing. So the next exchange that I do have to review and test out in the next couple of weeks is Ascend EX. If any of you guys have heard of Ascend EX, definitely make sure to leave a comment down below telling me your experiences with this website, whether it's something we should use in the future, and how exactly it's been performing in your position. Otherwise, just a quick overview of what exactly Ascend EX is. As you guys can see, it is a global digital asset trading platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and other cryptocurrencies. And a quick view of their homepage shows you that they do offer quite a substantial amount of cryptocurrencies, as well as the fact that they offer an Ascend EX app where you can trade not only on desktop, but also on mobile as well. You can see you can trade it on altcoins. It's downloadable in the App Store on Android and in the Google Play Store, so there's really no option to not be able to test out this application and this exchange. You can see it's very simple to actually sign up on this. I've also linked them in the description down below, and you do get 10% off trading fees if you do decide to check it out and signed up under my referral link specifically. You also get to take advantage of specific bonuses that are included if you sign up specifically under my link. Now, obviously, you don't have to deposit into the exchange to take advantage of these bonuses. You could just test it out and kind of figure for yourself whether or not this is an exchange you want to use, or if you have another one out there that you want to test out. Now, otherwise, I do want to show you guys a few things that I've noticed here on the website. So not only do they have the application, they have the market. You can trade with cash trading and margin trading. They have futures, where you can do futures and copy trading. They have investment products, which is ASD ecosystem, staking, DeFi yield farming, as well as payments, so you can actually purchase cryptocurrency with a bank card, credit card, debit card, as well as large block trades. And then they have their reward center for their affiliates program if you wanted to join that, and then wallets and orders. So otherwise, it seems like a pretty straightforward website, very easy to use. They have tons, and I mean tons, of different altcoins, and that's definitely a perk compared to other exchanges we have reviewed. I have not seen, I mean, this list just keeps going. They have tons and tons and tons of cryptocurrencies to take advantage of. So maybe you have an exchange that you like, that you think is your favorite, but it doesn't have as many options as this does. So this is, maybe another one to add to your toolbox and just, be able to use. You can then go to trading. They have standard and professional, which is also cool. So it allows you to have beginners as well as more advanced people taking advantage of their website. You can see right here, it is very simple to use. This is definitely more of the advanced style professional trading platform right here. They have a dark mode, which is really cool. This looks very similar to other exchanges that we've used as well, so it doesn't seem to be all that difficult. And they have buying and selling, which means you can leverage it, buy and sell, buy short short the cryptocurrency or long it to the upside, as well as leverage and margin trading it. So it's really cool. I definitely have a few more things I want to look at, and maybe we'll start to trade around on Ascend EX in some future videos. So with that being said, as you guys know, the fact that we're correcting up to here and the fact that we're closing the daily candle above this resistance, which understand we haven't done since early June, and if you really wanted to extend it back, since May, regardless of the fact we went back up to retest this resistance, you can clearly see we're trading inside a sideways channel right here with prime supports at 30 and prime resistances at 40, and we discussed pretty much where that problem level was going to be. So we discussed that this is where problems would probably arise, right at that $40,000 to $42,000 mark. And the fact that we caught this early, the fact that we caught prices closing above resistance levels right here, is enough signs for us to potentially buy in with anticipation that markets are going to be reversing back up to retest moving averages and top resistances. So I bought in early. I'm anticipating rally to 40K right here. I'm getting very excited. I don't think we're going to see a reversal. Regardless, there is a stop loss at play at this top support level right now, but there's a big chance now that this is going to rally us back up to 40K resistance level, which is very exciting. So I'm very excited. I think you guys should take advantage of this too. That's where my head's at right now. You can even see for Binance Coin, the fact is double bottoms at play. We have a very clear support level right here. Triple bottoms at play. 1, 2, 3 confirmations, and we closed above this resistance. We closed above this downtrend right here, which could once again signal a flash break to the upside. And as you guys can see, if you use the prime opening of the break to the upside, which if you use price range right here, you can see it's about a 97% jump. And if you then confirm the breakout from where we are currently all the way up 97%, could swing us right about up to $500 for Binance Coin, which would be about a $200 jump from where we currently are. So all these cryptocurrencies look to see that they're going to be adding volume back into these markets, and there's a big chance now with confirmation that we swing back up to 40K. So that's pretty much where my target level is set. Same thing applies itself with Ethereum. As you guys can see, we've confirmed the double bottom. That's what we were discussing. We needed to see a double, well, we saw this double bottom. It was in the back of our heads. We discussed this pretty much is where everything falls onto. It depends on how we react with this resistance. If we close below resistance, we're going to head back down and retest our bottom support for $1,800 on Ethereum once again. Or if we close above the resistance, there's a big chance we're going to complete the double bottom formation. So I'm getting very excited with the fact that we're starting to see the bottom retest, and we broke through our trend line, this downtrend right here, because this should signal enough volume to be injected back into the market to see us rally back up. And it means we caught it early, and there should be plenty more movement that should also swing us back up. Regardless, we have a stop loss set at bottom support to cover ourselves. We have bought in, and there is anticipation for us to swing back up. What we're looking for is obviously a retest, probably a problem zone at 2350, right where the moving averages are, but we'll move our stop loss up to lock in profit to make up for any unforeseen trades that we had maybe yesterday or 2 days ago when we anticipated markets to reverse back down to 30K. But with these confirmations, things are definitely coming for these crypto markets, and I'm getting very excited. Even for the S&P 500, we're now in all-time highs once again, and as you guys remember, I discussed once we reversed downwards, which was unfortunate but anticipated. Once we came back down to the downside here, a dollar cost average, I put more money into the S&P 500, into the stock markets, into my mutual funds, and actually rode this puppy right back up to the top. So this was a very nice pump to help me dollar cost average and make my positions even more. And just within a couple of months, I've made over $7,000 in profit. Obviously, it's not profit until you pull it out, but you understand what I'm saying. So very exciting. It's only been about 2 months at most, but pretty insane if you ask me. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. If you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.